from line 23A15. This one's line 23A17. It's part 3 of it. And it's just keyword research. From the Promela metalinear time Boolean spin root Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. This data is over 2 years old. It's from July 8, 2012. I guess a year and a half, sorry. It's April 2014. So the linear time temporal logic formula, syntax, grammar, operands, unary operations, temporal, Boolean, negation, binary, spin, formulae, L2L, mechanism, inline, specification, globally, proctype, init, formula, extensions, basic format, newlines, spaces, tabs, white spaces, operators, equivalent properties. I need a drink. Counter method, automatic, propositional symbol, macro definitions, keyword research, line 23, Wow Seti data. Part 3 of 3. Quote from the blog. Examples. Some examples of the valid LTL formulae follow, as they would be passed in command line arguments to spin for translation into never claims. Each formula passed to spin has to be quoted. We use single quotes in all examples given here, which will work correctly on most systems, including Unix systems and Windows systems with the Sequin toolset. On some systems, double quotes can be also used. The conditions P, Q, and R can be defined with macros, for instance, such as that. Elsewhere in the Promela model, it is prudent to always enclose these macro definitions in round braces to avoid misinterpretation of the precedence rules on any operators in the context where the names end up being used in the final never claim. The variables A and B, the channel name Q, and the proctype name root from the preceding example must be globally declared. Note that the spin sources are compiled with the preprocessor directive dnxt. The set of temporal operators is extended with one additional unary operator x next. The X operator asserts the truth of the subformula that follows it for the next system state that is reached. The use of this operator can void the validity of the partial order reduction algorithm that is used in spin if it changes the stutter invariance of an LTL formula. For the partial order reduction strategy to be valid, only LTL properties that are stutter invariants can be used. Every LTL property that does not contain the X operator is guaranteed to satisfy the required property. A property that is not stutter invariant can still be checked, but only with the application of partial order reduction. An alternative converter for LTL formulae that can be often produced smaller automated in the tool L2VA, which can be downloaded from the Spin distribution website. Okay, so that's from spinroot.com, and the data continues in the next video. Thanks for watching.